What's the meaning of baronetcy? Baronetcy. Baronetcy.
Baronetcy. Baronetcy. A baronetcy is a hereditary title given to British gentlemen below the rank of baron. The title was created in 1611 by King James I as a way to raise funds for the English crown. Baronets are not members of the peerage, but their rank is considered higher than other knighthoods. They are addressed as Sir, and have the right to pass their title down through the male line. Baronets are not entitled to sit in the House of Lords, but they do have certain privileges such as the right to carry a sword in public and to receive a special form of precedence at state occasions.